Hey, what's up guys? This is the India's most affordable 5G smartphone, the Lava Blaze 5G, and you must notice now Lava is consistently launching new phones. By the way, let's open the box. We have got the glass green color in this glass pack, which has got a glossy finish and looks very nice. The frame is plastic and in-hand feel is pretty good as well. The volume button is on the left side while the power button is on the right side. It also offers a headphone jack. There is a single bottom firing speaker on this phone which outputs a decent audio quality. On the left side you get hybrid SIM card slot, so you can hold either a SIM card or a micro SD card. It also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. Face and fingerprint scanner both are pretty fast to unlock in most scenarios. The Blaze 5G has a 6.5 inches HD plus IPS display with a refresh rate of 90Hz and L1 support. The display in itself has decent peak brightness and viewing angles by affordable phone standards. The 90Hz refresh rate makes it quite smooth as well. On the software front, this phone runs on clean Android 12, so you will not get the extra pre-installed bloatwares. The Lava Blaze 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700. Phone comes with up to 128GB of UFS storage, up to 4GB plus 3GB virtual RAM, and up to 1TB expandable storage option. The best thing about this phone is that it comes with all Indian supported 5G bands. The phone packed with 5000 mAh battery and it takes around 3 hours to fully recharge with the 15-watt charger. Battery life is overall quite excellent. The Blaze 5G features a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary camera with EIS support. The main camera can produce nice results in daylight. There is also a dedicated night mode, but it doesn't make a significant difference to picture quality. The Blaze 5G can shoot up to 2K videos from the main camera. The video performance was actually quite good. For the price, I found nothing much to complain about when it comes to the camera quality. The Lava Blaze is an extremely compelling budget option that looks very nice, offers a reliable camera setup. The phone performance is pretty sufficient for everyday users. Blaze 5G makes lot of sense for a special launch price 9,999, so check it out now and thanks for watching.